And an import, just in at Unique, especially in classics. Original mile car, 1987 Nissan 300ZX, little T-top coupe. Check that out. Little over 81,000 original miles, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. It is also a 6-digit odometer, so no doubt on the miles. If you'd like to see a copy of that Carfax, feel free to ask. Sales consultant when you call in or email. Underneath the hood, V6, 3-liter, power steering, power brakes. Also want to mention this is an AC car, so it's a factory AC car, although the previous owner was decided to consign it with us. The compressor was making some noise. He just had it taken off. So FYI, that's how it is now. He's elected to sell it that way. Price reflects it. Don't think it'd take a whole lot to get the AC going. Let's take a look at the front fascia. This car has had one repaint to the original color, hot red. As you can see, flip-up headlights. Of course, 80s car. You have some flip-up headlights in a sports car in the 80s. Those do work, and I will show you that here at the end of the video when we start it up. Check out a few other things. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, the interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Car was repainted in 07, FYI. Riding on the correct Z wheels. Paint shows well, but it shows its age a little bit too. But one of those for your local cruise-ins, local shows, just driving, having some fun. If you want an 80s classic and kind of get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank, here you go. Interior, original cloth, black and gray. Bucket seats, 5-speed paired up with that 3-liter. I'll go through some of the interior components and options on it when we get around to the driver's side and start it up. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I believe that 1987 would have been the first year that the Datsun badging was all gone. And as you can see, you got the Nissan badging on this one. When they made the transition between 86 and 87, I believe. Also, T-tops. Right here, and you're going to see this close up in the pictures. It is the original glass Nissan T-tops, as you can see right here by the markings. I just shot a picture of the windshield too. Looks like the original windshield in the car. There's the components. Compressor, some lines, bracketry for the AC. It also has a little repair manual if you want to do any of your own maintenance on it. When we're done, I'm going to put those T-top covers in the back. I'll put the T-top covers back in the car. Lock them in, FYI. You can see the car pictured with the covers out and with the covers in. I should say the T-tops in and the T-tops out. Still pictures once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You take a look up and down the driver's side. Again, paint shows well. Are you finding, could you find imperfections here or there? Yes. I don't know if you really, trying to look close now, nothing stands out, but you'll find, here you go, a little bit, say like this right here. Just kind of a little imperfection in the clear, but again, it does show well. Take to any of your local cruise-in car shows, roll-ins. Again, clean Carfax, confirmed miles, a little over 81,000. Right there, you can see that, 81,323. Power windows. Take a look at those. You have power seat on the driver's side, and this is something the tech that looked at this car wanted me to mention to you. Seat goes forward, backwards, up, down, all that works fine. The recliner does not. So where it's sitting at now, as far as the recliner is where it's at, it's in a great position. Again, if you wanted to address in the future, feel free to. Consigner has chosen to sell it the way it is and have the price reflect that. Take a look at the top of that dash, not all cracked. This car's not sat out in the sun a bunch. It's obvious. It's been stored indoors. Take a look at the gaskets, everything up here. The T-tops. Also all looks good. Now let's go ahead. We're going to fire this up so you can hear it run. And I want to show you one other thing the tech mentioned. Notice that light down on the right. That's for your windshield washer fluid. Windshield washer works perfect in the front, works perfect in the rear. Must just be a sensor on the tank. So I'll make you aware of that. As you can see, gas gauge working over here. Oil, battery. Good sounding car. Runs smooth, well taken care of. FYI, this car started out with an automatic transmission in it. He took it to a Nissan dealer and had this 5-speed manual put in. Done properly, done right. Radio does also work, and as you can see, power antenna also works. And again, I had the rear wiper working with the washer. Front washers do work also. Flip up headlights, we want to check those out. I'm going to flip those up also. We're going to check out the engine bay. Give me a second, I'll get all that ready and we'll check that out and then we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, headlights. Popped up and working just fine. Here's that V6 3-liter. Smooth running, good sounding. I have a power plant. And again, power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the underside of this hood. You can tell this car has been driven in climate weather. No doubt about that. Just too clean underneath there with lack of oxidation, surface rust, anything like that. So there you go there. I also popped this, I wanted to show you in the rear. So lots of times these hatchbacks, you know where they start rust and noise right away. Along in here, I want to show you how good of condition that is. And I also wanted to show you everything intact there. All right, there we go. 80s cool. Classic right out of the late 80s. 1987 Nissan 300ZX T-top coupe. Original miles, clean Carfax. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate and call 9